What's up guys, welcome back to King Box channel again. So today we're playing Minecraft again. So let's sleep. Bruh. Let me turn wait, I'm just gonna save and quit for a second. So let me just go here. Then advanced, no. Yes, advanced. So days played, so very good. So now I turned on so days played, so we're done. We're just gonna mine some wood. Actually, I need some stone. Actually, I just need wood. So we're in my house. We're still on day 2. We're stuck. So I'm just gonna go to the village again. There's an ant, bro. I punched the ant. So just go here. Kung may nanon up. Mali. Oh, I need stone, so I need stone. So good thing I have emeralds. So now let me just make a crafting table. We need a crafting table. This is my mining area right here. Well, I need a stone pickaxe. So we're almost done. Then let's make a pickaxe. So let's just mine that. I need coal. So good thing there's a small cave right here because I need coal. Let me make torches. I'm still not done with my house. Wala, uli. Wait lang. Uli. No. No, please, no. No, my brother. No. Hey. There. So we good. We didn't die. Ano. So I'm just gonna make staircase. We need staircase. Where's my doggy there?
Minasala pa pati pala ba eh?
Wait lang. Ginagawa ko dito, kita mo eh.
Patay mo lang naman
eh. Sandali lang yun eh.
So we need this. We just gonna craft some bread. We need bread.
Pasaway ka, bawal ka nga dito eh.
Uy. We just mind this. Actually, I'll make my roof something different. So, okay, I'm still making it flat. So this should be enough. So let's go here. Go back to my house. You can see I already had bread. Wait, can I do that? Actually, I can. So let me just do here. Oh. So let me just put my block. Bruh. So we are almost done with the floor. Then let's to my crafting table. So let's make slabs. Let's make slabs. That should be good. So we need dirt blocks. I hope. So we're done. I hope it looks good. Kinda looks bad. Bruh, it looks like bruh. It does not look good, bruh. Hot. We go here. Very good. That's why. Damn.
Sabi nandun sa bamboo, may tao ba doon? Hindi kuyo. Paano konti? Hindi, yuko mo. Yuko mo lang.
Uba. I'm back. So we get the bread because I'm very hungry. Clutch. Ouch. I did it clutch. So we are done. It looks so ugly, bro. Why does my house look so ugly? I think we should make a window right there. I think I should. Wait, let me just put a torch right there. There. We need furnace. But I don't have. What's that called again? Cobblestone. I forgot. Need all of that. I hope it's enough. Does it look good? Not bad. I think yes, not bad. So, kinda want to put some decorations. Just put down this chair. So put it. Bro, where? Oh yeah, I can just put my chest right there. Actually, let me take that off right there. Then, bruh. Oh, I'm mining with the wrong thing, bro. There. So let me just go outside, cause this. Now it looks good, bruh. Let me sleep. We need some torches around my area. So let's go. Should have done it on the night class. We put it right there, 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 and put it there, 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 there. Bro, my house is filled with torches, dude. We put one on top of the stairs. Mariana, hindi. Super Maria. What kind of game is that? There. Bro, it looks like my door looks have a hand, bruh. We are done. Should I do that? Yes, I should. Actually, I don't need windows. I'll need that right now, not later. So let me put there. And then, ban. So good thing there's flowers right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put right there. 1, 2, 2, 2. I forgot one right here.
Ay, dalawa pala to.
Oh yeah, forgot. And
Ay! Kaya nahulog ko.
great. So, I'm sorry if I didn't talk because I was so focused. Mekus. I need something. I will do something with these things. So we are done. Let me just put all of that there. We need all of the food on my inventory because we will be hungry. Then we are done. We're so far not bad. So we need some scissors to cut these things. Holy moly! Run, 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 run! Happy aku sore pala ketikrat. Bro, that was fun. No, I'm gonna die. So, let me just see. Are they still attacking or not? Okay, they're not attacking anymore. They forgive me. Thank you, bro, for forgiving me, but I'm sorry for doing that because I do it for fun. I need a crafting table. I mean, we need sticks and wood. 2 pieces of log and 3 wood and oh no, my god. I was scared, my bad. 3, 4. So that should be good. Then we'll just so let me just go here. Let's go to my house. Then let me get that coal. Let's make a campfire. So we can finally cook. Tayo lang. Habibi at pabura, bulak katikrat. Ay, nyan, nyan, nyan. Ow. So, what can we do right now? I don't know what. Let's finish 1.6. So, we still haven't finished some food. What's this? What's that? What's mangrove boat? Dark oak boat. Acacia boat. Jungle boat. Birch boat. What's that? Oak bottle. Oak pressure. What? Oak pressure plate. Ooh, target. Bamboo raft? I love that, bro. I forgot there was bamboo blocks. So my food should be out. anything brand? Oh yeah, I forgot. So let me just put that there. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me just put that there. So bro, there's a fly. Oh, we're still in day 3. The hell? Oh, maybe I forgot. So, what can I do? What's up, my bro? So, I have a armband as you can see on my hand. Look, I have wings. And I have armor. I just need leather. So let me kill some cows. I need that. Bro, did the cow just respawn? Or am I just saw that thing what it's just respawn? I think, yeah, it just respawn. Oh, let me just, still can sleep, bro. So, yes, we're finally in day 4. So, we sleep. Bruh, I can't get out. So let's mine some logs. Actually, we do something. Let me get more sapling. Sorry if my house is kinda small, but as I said on my second Minecraft video, I'm not that good of building houses. So yes, that's real. What am I getting again? Oh yeah, saplings. So let me just put the sapling right there. One sapling right there, and put the other sapling right there. Bro, my nose is running, bruh. Ouch. Oh, there's another one. So let me plant those again. I just need one big clump. Then that's the last. Actually, just 8 so I'll do the other part live. Oh, bruh. Let me jump. After that, I'm jumping, but I didn't jump as you can see. I was hungry. So, oh, there's sheep. Actually, I'd rather not going. So, I'll just do something, guys. So, see you later. I'll just do something for a minute, not second. So, just do something. I'm back. So, just I'm back. Let me kill sheep. I'm gonna find some cows. Bro, my goal is to survive 100 days in only this. Should have made it hardcore, bro, so the days pass by fast. And I need iron, so I need to kill the iron golem. Ow. Oh. Good. Oh. Sunflower. Looks like a boiled egg. I mean, a sunny side up egg. So, let me just put the torches. Bro, my torches. Ouch, bruh. Can you stop killing me? I need more wood. But I still have no trees. I should go there, but it's too far. So, we're in day 4. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, I did. Ouch, ouch. Yeah! I thought I'd die. Let me eat my bread. So, that's all, guys. Peace.